Okay, let's look at claims handling. Think of this. We've got claims handling at ANCS. This is one of our other examples. Here's we can sketch an example of an operational BPMS. Okay, so simplified view of on a process. Oh, hang on. Simplified view on a process which claims are accessed by the ACNS company. And the ACNS is a claim is no shame. All right, so if you look at that BPMN, we've got 4 pools. We have a clerk, we have a senior acceptor, we have a regulator acceptor, and we have an account manager. Okay, so we've got Miss Sonora has been with ACNS for a long time, and for the past years, she's worked as a senior acceptor. Mr. Regulo, he started his training and works as a regular acceptor. Okay, so Miss Sonora works down here as a senior acceptor, and Mr. Regulo works down there as a regular acceptor. So we've got that business process. Okay, so 2 new claims are handled. We've got car damage coming in, 12,500 euros, claimed by a client, Mr. Bowman. Okay, there's our diagram. Look at the diagram. A claim is received. If the claim is greater than 1,000 euros, we assess the claim. If the claim is less than 1,000 euros, if it's greater than 1,000, it's assessed by a senior acceptor. If it's less than 1,000, it's assessed by a regular acceptor. Then we join up and we go off here. Now, it's either we get a positive assessment or we get a negative assessment. If we're negative assessment, it means we're not going to accept the claim, and the customer is informed by an account manager. If we have a positive assessment, we generate an electronic invoice, but the clerk does this and it dispatches the invoice to the client. Thing keeps going backwards and forwards. Mr. Bowman puts in, he's got car damage of 12,500 euros. BPMS forwards the claim work list to Miss Sonora. Why Miss Sonora? Because Miss Sonora is a senior acceptor. She works down over here as a senior acceptor. Okay. A positive assessment is made. Work items appear in a work list handler of financial officer to do a payment, and once done, the process completes. Car damage of 500 euros is claimed by Mrs. Phyllis. BPMS forwards the claim to the work list handlers of Miss Sonora and Mr. Regulo, sorry. Okay, so it's only 500 euros. So it goes down there to a regular acceptor. So either a senior acceptor or a regular acceptor can do that one. Mr. Regulo selects the claim, which then disappears from the list of Miss Sonora. So when you've got a pool of acceptors, a pool of people can handle a workflow item. When one accepts it, it disappears from the pool list. Mr. Regulo rejects the case, it's handed over to an account manager, and the client is informed.
The Victorian Institute of Technology has other great videos covering many different topics. Please check them out, and thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe the video for more great content like this.